Top 10 Video Editing Softwares. Adobe Premiere Pro. For professionals. Adobe Premiere Pro. For professionals. Is arguably the most comprehensive video editing tool on the market. It comes packed with pro features like motion graphics, auto color correct, and 4K support while covering the basics like audio sync, blurring, and video flips. Some of the more advanced features like multicam make Adobe Premiere Pro stand out from some of the other tools on our list. It allows editors to add as many camera angles as they like to a video. Most other tools have a cap. A big bonus of choosing Adobe Premiere Pro is that it's part of the Adobe family, making it easy to connect to other apps like After Effects, Photoshop, Adobe Stock, and Creative Cloud. Best features. Advanced coloring options like grading and correction. VR effects such as audio editing and rotating sphere. It's part of the Adobe family, so integrating with other Adobe apps is easy. Final Cut Pro. For professionals. Final Cut Pro. For professionals. The Apple Neural Engine allows editors to instantly play back high-resolution video streams and render movies in record time, all in an intuitive interface. The engine also assists with complex tasks like object tracking or automatic cropping to make your editing life easier. Creators can edit in 8K and add advanced effects and color correction without rendering. Add in the duplicate detection, closed captions, and 360 degrees viewer, and it's easy to see why Final Cut Pro is trusted by so many filmmakers. Best features. ProRes RAW tools so editors can work with files straight from the camera. Advanced grading tools like color/hue/saturation curves and color wheels. A generous 90-day free trial helps you decide if the tool is right for you. VSDC. VSDC. If you're hunting for the best free video editing software, VSDC is a great tool that doesn't skimp on features. There's a pro version available, but the free version has enough features for most editors wanting something to produce quality videos. Included are effects, transitions, 360 degrees editing, background music, and even a chroma key tool that removes green backgrounds. One VSDC feature that stands out is its nonlinear capabilities. Even if your footage doesn't follow a linear sequence, VSDC syncs scenes with other objects, and you can add picture-in-picture video effects and split screens to make scenes look polished. Best features. Color correction tools automatically fix imperfections. Mask tools highlight or blur specific elements in a scene. Automatic social media links to share videos on channels like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio is an easy-to-use video editing program that's perfect for beginners. It doesn't require a subscription, just a one-off payment of $129.95. That'll get you pro features to realize your video project, like whole palette color grading controls, sketch filters, masking, video stabilization and lens correction. The upgraded plan, called Ultimate, has extra features like 360 degrees editing, 3D title editing, and motion graphics. The added extras of 4K support, split-screen video, stop-motion animation, overlays and fonts, and smart object tracking make Pinnacle Studio one of the most feature-packed tools on our list. Best features. Multi-camera capture and edits in advanced HD, 4K, and 360 degrees. Customizable transitions, titles, and effects. Fast rendering speeds for quick editing and exporting. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a big step into the world of advanced video editing. It's the only tool on our list that offers color correction, editing, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production under one roof. The cloud-based offline editing feature makes it perfect for editors who work on the road or don't have access to a reliable internet connection. The tool is also great for teams where multiple editors need to work on a single project. With the multi-user post-production feature, editors, visual effects artists, and sound engineers can communicate in real time, so they don't have to send files back and forth. Features include a dedicated trim interface that gives you the ability to edit in minute detail. Intelligent auto editing that syncs audio and video clips for you. Built-in tools for picture-in-picture effects, redimming, stabilization, dynamic zoom, text, and audio. Facial recognition detects faces in your clips and automatically creates bends based on the people in each shot. High-quality motion estimation speed changes and frame rate conversions to easily and realistically speed up or slow down clips. Best features. Dual timeline makes trimming and cutting easy. 32K/120 FPS file exporting and GPU accelerated rendering. Advanced extras like stabilization, text, and dynamic zoom. Apple iMovie. Apple iMovie. iMovie is just for Mac users. This editor comes preloaded on every Apple computer, and it's on our list for one reason: it's really easy to use. The hint is in the tool's tagline: create professional-looking videos without an editing degree. iMovie makes it simple to trim video clips, add effects, and create transitions between scenes. Unlike many of the other tools on our list, you don't need a desktop. You can edit from anywhere using an iPad or even an iPhone. When you're done, just use Apple AirDrop to transfer it to your desktop or upload the file straight to your social media channel. Best features. Quick, professional edits thanks to iMovie's Chroma key. Integrates with other Apple apps like GarageBand, Apple Music, and iTunes. Drag and drop interface has a minimal learning curve. Lightworks. Lightworks. The tool is responsible for editing Hollywood classics like Pulp Fiction, Jerry Maguire, and The Wolf of Wall Street. And while there are two paid plans, Create and Pro, most editors should find the forever free version of the tool enough to create high-quality videos. Almost any format can be inputted into the editor, and the proxy workflows allow editors to work with HD, 4K, and 8K media without slowing down. Editors can also render background footage in the tool and preview effects and transitions in real time before adding them to the final product. Organizing and managing video content is also easier with Lightworks, thanks to advanced metadata features. Best features. Direct export to YouTube, Vimeo, and H.264/MP4. Instant autosave so you'll never lose your work. Access to stock assets, so editors don't have to worry about copyright issues. Vimeo Create. Vimeo Create is a perfect editing tool for those needing a quick and easy way to make social media and YouTube videos. It's not huge on features, but its pre-prepared templates, drag and drop editor, and extensive stock video clip library are perfect if you want to create short videos. The pre-made templates have different aspect ratios to fit perfectly on various social media platforms. A big bonus is that it's an online video editor that works on a browser, so it'll work for everyone regardless of operating system. Best features. 3,000 plus pre-made templates at no extra cost. Inbuilt AI has facial recognition for quick editing. Social media sharing to post to marketing channels. HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is for editors using Mac OS or Windows who are making professional video for marketing and social media channels. The free plan includes motion tracking, HD exporting, free creative assets, and built-in tutorials. Its free 3D library is also handy for editors who want to add visual effects, overlays, and preset transitions to their videos. A unique feature of HitFilm Express is its extensive learning materials on its YouTube channel. It's packed with in-depth tutorials and advanced how-to videos so people can teach themselves how to use every feature available in the software. Best features. Drag and drop transition tool. Audio sync automatically lines up audio files. Large library of stock footage, templates, music, and sound effects. ClipChamp. ClipChamp. The last tool on our list is ClipChamp, one of the more feature-packed free video editing apps available for creatives. The tool's free plan includes a drag-and-drop interface and a stock library to get you started. There are also hundreds of templates to choose from, including pre-built formats for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and even memes. For content creators, the screen and camera recorder make it easy to film presentations and tutorials straight from your desktop. Best features: built-in screen recorder, webcam, and green screen. AI technology turns text into speech. Upload your brand kit, so every video is consistent with your branding. Thanks from Learn.pk.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learn.pk and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks.